G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider, and I'd like to introduce a new bike to the stable, a Suzuki DR650. Now, excuse the notes, but I've had a few attempts at this video and I can't remember all the details, and I'm finding it very hard to express my gratitude towards Brad, who gave me this motorcycle. And as you'll soon see, it is no ordinary DR. So I've been tempted to get a DR or a DRZ for a while now. I feel like I've reached the limit on modifying my V-Strom. Once I fitted the last piece of the puzzle, an 18-inch spoked wheel to the bike, it felt done. For me, this bike was as much about the project as riding it. It's never going to be a dual sport, and that's the kind of riding I'm leaning towards. But I still want to be able to do longer trips, so a DR is perfect. So imagine my surprise when I received an email titled Free DR650. This was on my Yahoo email, which receives more spam than real mail. So I was initially skeptical, but when I saw the name, I knew it was for real. The email said he was no longer riding the DR, and as a sign of support for the channel, the bike was mine if I wanted it, free and no strings attached. So thinking it over for a few seconds, I replied, too good an offer to refuse. I'd love it. I first met Brad on a group ride about 5 years ago when he was on this bike, and it already had quite a few mods back then, but the more I look at it now, the more I see. First thing you'll notice is the ARX rally tower. We'll come back to that. We have XL rims, Cogent suspension, a Cherbus 20-litre tank, Sergeant seat, B&B rack, bash plate, oil cooler guard, sprocket cover. There's frame and case protection, carby work, pro taper bars, stabiliser, double take mirrors, bark busters, steg pegs, Screaming Demon exhaust, and that lovely ARX tower. So this bike was used to develop the first rally tower for the DRs, and since then ARX has sold more than 400 worldwide for the DR alone. They make towers for most makes and models, so check out their website in the link below. So when I first picked up the bike, I put up a picture on Facebook. It was a close-up of the tower, so you couldn't really make out what the bike was. Soon after that, Davin from ARX sent me a message saying pick out a new tower and we'll upgrade you to the latest model. So I'll soon be picking up a beautiful Gen 7 Rally replica tower complete with my logo in the near future. Yeah, so far I've only ridden around the yard because I'm missing one important item. So we'll get that sorted and then we'll get out there. So a massive thank you to Brad for the bike. I don't feel like I've done anything to deserve this bike, but I truly appreciate it and I look forward to many adventures on it.